how to make the most of your online learning experience. Use the following checklist to help you get ready. 1 to 2 days prior to the start date of your certificate, confirm you received a welcome email from Helen with the program page and login information. Confirm your computer has a working microphone and camera or an external headset and webcam. Tip: if your computer does not have a working camera or microphone, we recommend downloading the Zoom app on either your phone or tablet with a camera as a substitute. Test your internet connection by joining a Zoom test meeting. On the day of your certificate, log in 5 to 10 minutes earlier. Turn your video on and keep it on at all times. Tip: if you're having difficulties with your video or camera, please inform the instructor and the other participants, and please find another way to participate actively in class, for example, by using the chat. Third, unmute yourself or use the chat to participate, and complete your on-demand activities on time as advised or requested by your instructor. Congratulations, you are now ready.